Okay, we'll do one question. In that question, we will cover each and every correction. Okay, so the question is: a baseline measured with a steel tape. A baseline measured with a steel tape was found to be 1050 meter, 1050 meter. Find the correct length of the baseline. Correct length of the baseline when pull at standardization is 20 kg and applied pull. So just I'm repeating the question. Pull at standardization is 20 kg and applied pull was 28 kg. The cross-sectional area of tape is 0.0675 centimeter square and capital E is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 6 kg per centimeter square. 2 into 10 to the power 6 kg per centimeter square. The temperature while measuring was 35 degree and standard temperature is 25 degree per Celsius. Sorry, degree Celsius, not per Celsius. 25 degrees Celsius. Coefficient of thermal expansion of tape material. Coefficient of thermal expansion of tape material is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6. 12 into 10 to the power minus 6. The difference in elevation of two leads of the tape was 2.5. This is nothing but your H. Elevation of baseline above MSL is 1000 meter, 2.5 meter, and the elevation of baseline above MSL is 1000 meter, and the radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer. 6400 kilometer. I'll repeat the question. A baseline measured with a steel tape was found to be 1050 meter, 1050 meter. Find the current length of the baseline when the pull at standardization is 20 kg and applied pull was 28 kg. The cross-sectional area of tape is 0.0675 centimeter square and E is 2 into 10 to the power 6 kg per centimeter square. The temperature while measuring was 35 degrees centigrade and standard temperature is 25 degrees centigrade. Coefficient of thermal expansion of tape is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6. Standard pull is standard pull is 20 kg. The difference in elevation of two head of the tape was 2.5 meter. The elevation of the baseline above the mean sea level (MSL) is 1000 meter and the radius of Earth is 6400 kilometer. 6400 kilometer. I hope it is clear. I hope everything is clear, every value is clear. I'll write it down also. You try to solve. Okay, actually one more thing is left. This is correction due to mean sea level. Okay, this is one more correction is there. I forgot to tell you that is correction for MSL. Okay, so just to write this correction for MSL inside and I'll give you the formula for that. Correction for MSL. Okay, so the formula is your CR is H into L by R, right? Where H is elevation of baseline from MSL. H is elevation of baseline from MSL. Okay, R is the radius of the Earth. Okay, and L is the nothing but the measured length. L is nothing but the measured length. Clear? Elevation of baseline above MSL and R is radius of Earth and L is nothing but the measured length, or you can write L dash here also. It will be clear. Measured length. Okay. Can you solve for all these correction? Correction for pull. Next is correction for temperature. Then correction for slope and correction for MSL. Find it and tell me the answer. I hope you guys are doing. I'll just write down the values which is given to you. PM is given to you as applied pull is 28 kgs. Okay, and standard pull is given as 20 kg. I guess 20 kg. Yes. A is given to you 0.0675 centimeters square, and I'll write down the every values. 20 kg, 0.067. E is 2 into 10 to the power 6 kg per centimeter square, and then your temperature, standard temperature is T0 is 25 degrees centigrade and Tm is nothing but your 35 degrees centigrade, and coefficient of thermal expansion is alpha 12 into 10 to the power minus 6. Okay, and length means H is nothing but your 2.5 meter, and the elevation, this h of this is given as nothing but your, I'm writing it as h dash 1000 meter. Okay, so everything is elevation of the baseline 1000 meter. Yes, everything is given to you. You can calculate the correct length, right? This correction of MSL, this correction of MSL will also be negative. Okay, this will also be negative, that we will see more in leveling. Okay, so this correction is also negative. So you just write this MSL, correction for MSL is negative. Okay, so just write the negative sign there. So can you tell me the correct base length? Correct base length. Okay, take your time, but please do it correct. So here I am doing mine, you can do yours. First is correction for pull. Correction for pull is nothing but L by AE. I'll just see it. 28 minus 20 into 1050 divided by 0.0675 divided by 2 divided by 10 to the power 6. It is coming out to be 0.0622. 0.0622 only. Ma'am, pull is coming. No yaar, actually just see the unit. Okay, don't change anything. There is no need of changing anything. Okay, if you see here, this PM, this is given in kg. So this is your kg, and this L is given in meter. Okay, and this 0.0675 is given in centimeter square, and this 2 into 10 to the power 6 is in kg per centimeter square. So there is no need of changing any value. This centimeter square and centimeter square will cut down. It means from the bottom you are only getting kg, and this kg will also cut down. So you will get the answer in meter, 0.0622 meter. Got it? Got this? Length is in meter. Change. There is no need of changing anything. There is no need of changing anything. Please be very careful with your units. Okay. This is in kg. This A is in centimeter square. The length is in meter. But 2 into 10 to the power 6. This is in kg per centimeter square. Okay. There is no need of changing any unit. Is it clear? Clear, Tarun? And the Aditya, Tarun, Shehbaz, your answer is correct. Very good, yaar. Very good. Okay. Now next come to for correction for temperature. See temperature. This is nothing but length, change in length, T. Tm minus T naught. So L is 1050, alpha is 12 into 10 to the power minus 6, Tm is 35 minus 25. Temperature 35 minus 25 into 1050 into 12 into 10 to the power minus 6. It is coming out to be, see, temperature is nothing but your 0.126. Yes, 0.126. Yes, Varsha, it is correct. Here C pole is correct, C temperature is correct, CR. CR, just calculate CR. Okay, I'm writing here. I will not change the values and everything. I'm writing here. Then correction for slope. C slope is nothing but h square by 2l dash. So l dash is nothing but this one. H is how much? 2.5 square 2 into 1050. So it will come out to be 2.5 square divided by 2 into 1050. 0.090, yes, 0.0029, right? 0.00297 something. Okay, this is also in meter. This will be in negative because C slope is always negative. Now come to next. Next, what is remaining? Your correction for MSL. MSL one is nothing. But what was the formula for that? The formula is HL by R. So H is how much? 1000. L is 1050. R is 6400. So the answer that you will get. Negative कैसे? अरे आदित्य, forgot everything we discussed. C slope will always be negative, right? C slope will always be negative. Just turn your page. Just turn your 2 pages. You will get it. It will be negative or positive. 0.164. Yes. This will also be negative. 0.164 meter. Clear? So what will be your correct length then? What will be your correct length? Ma'am, what about other corrections? C slope, MSL will be negative, and what about others? You just check by your own. You are getting C pull value positive. It means your correction is positive. Okay. C temperature values also you are getting positive. So it is positive. Okay. See Varsha, this value, C slope value and C pull value and C temperature value, it's totally depend on the pull at the time of standardization and pull at the time of measurement. And same, the temperature also, temperature at the time of measurement minus temperature there. Okay. So this will be pull is positive, temperature is positive, slope will be negative, MSL will be negative, right? So, what will be the total correction? Total correction is plus 0.62.0622 plus 0.216 minus 0.00297 minus 0.164. Just so everybody got the answer. So correct length is, this is correction is coming out to be positive. So what we'll do? We'll add it. 1050 plus 0.01. Okay, so it will be 0.21 meter. If it is clear, then we'll not waste much time of ours. Okay, because till now nothing came from this topic. Only one question came that I'll ask you to calculate. Only one question came till now. Okay, so write down that question, and that question also came in the year 1990, around 90s. Okay, there are 2 questions. Just write these questions. This question came, one question came in 1990. Okay, just write the question. The required slope correction for a length of 60 meter, along a gradient 1 in 20 is question mark. Okay, I'll repeat the question. The required slope correction for a length 60 meter along a gradient of 1:20 is question mark. Just read the question carefully and understand what is given to you. Okay, so I'll read the question again. Just check your question. In this question he said the required slope correction for a length of 60 meter. 60 meter. Okay, this is 60 meters given and the gradient is 1:20. Okay, and he wants the correction, required slope correction. Okay, so you know this is just a basic nothing. So this is 1:20, not this one. 1:20. So you know tan theta. Tan theta is nothing but 1/20. So what will be the value of theta? You can calculate. You can calculate the value of theta. It will be tan inverse 1/20. Tan inverse 1/20. It will be some 2.86. Okay, if you know the value of theta, this is 2.86. With this is given to you. You want this one. So C slope will be what? 60 minus this is how much? This will be nothing but 60 cos 2.86, right? 60 cos 2.86. So what will be the answer? 61 minus cos 2.86. 0.075. 0.075 meter. Clear? Clear? Any doubt? One more question is there. The length of baseline measured on ground at an elevation of 300 meter above mean sea level is 2250 meter. The required correction to reduce sea level length is question mark, and you have to use the radius of earth as 6370 kilometer. 6370 kilometer. Okay, this is also given. 6370 kilometer is the exact radius of the earth and 6400 is the approx one. So whenever it is not given in the question, you will use 6370 kilometer only. Okay, instead of 6400. So everybody know the formula. The formula is nothing but LH by R. L is given how much? How much L is given to you? 2250. 2250 and R is 6370 and H is how much? H is given you 300. If you will calculate, you will get the answer as minus 0.106 meter. Okay, so these were the questions that came in GATE, that too in 1990 and 1991. Okay, after that nothing came from this topic. Okay, nothing came from this topic. Okay, this is very easier thing. You can directly apply the formula and you can get the answer. Okay, if anything come also. Okay, so this is basic of this topic. This is done here. Now we'll start with our compass survey. Okay, so till now we were measuring the length. Now we will measure the angle or the direction of survey line.